Welcome back to the Auto Dynamic. Today we're stepping into the future of off-road adventure with the all-new 2026 Ford TrailMaster Camper Motorhome 4x4, a beast built not just for camping but for conquering every terrain you can imagine. At first glance, the TrailMaster looks like a military-grade expedition vehicle, with its rugged chassis, reinforced bumpers, high ground clearance, and massive all-terrain tires. But don't let the aggressive exterior fool you, because inside, it transforms into a luxury apartment on wheels. Powering this monster is Ford's hybrid turbo diesel V8, delivering exceptional torque for steep climbs and loaded towing. Paired with a smart 4x4 drivetrain, locking differentials, and terrain response modes, this camper can tackle mud, sand, snow, or rocky trails with absolute confidence. Whether you're driving through the desert or crawling up mountain paths, the TrailMaster feels like it's asking for more. Step into the cabin, and it's pure comfort. You get a fully insulated interior with premium leather seating, swivel captain chairs, and Ford's next-generation digital cockpit. The infotainment system supports full voice control, satellite navigation, and off-grid connectivity, so you're never really lost. The living area is brilliantly designed. It features a modular layout with a convertible dining space, a power lift queen bed, and hidden storage compartments everywhere. The kitchen is fully equipped with an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, microwave, and even an adjustable spice rack, because Ford knows adventure doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. And yes, there's a full bathroom with a heated shower, water-saving tech, and a built-in washer-dryer combo. Solar panels line the roof, connected to a lithium battery bank, allowing completely off-grid living for days. For serious explorers, Ford also offers optional roof deck seating and an extendable outdoor kitchen. One of the most impressive features is the smart suspension system. It automatically adjusts ride height depending on road conditions, lowering on highways for better aerodynamics and lifting when the terrain gets rough. Combined with the 360-degree camera and drone assist navigation, maneuvering this giant becomes surprisingly easy. So who is the Ford TrailMaster for? It's for dreamers who don't just want to travel, but to disappear into the wild with comfort, power, and total independence. It's not just a camper, it's your home, your shelter, and your freedom all in one package. If you love vehicles that turn every road into an adventure, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the Auto Dynamic. Let me know in the comments where you'd take the TrailMaster on its first journey. Until next time, keep exploring.